Hey, good morning, Brian. I want you to know that I am uploading this to Google Classroom and I'm making this video just for you. You're the only student in my class that's able to see this. I just noticed that you weren't doing your online pandemic journals, and so I want to show you where to find that in case you were just not able to find the assignment. So on the Google Classroom page, all you need to do is click on classwork, and if you scroll all the way down to online school, it's labeled pandemic journals. If you click into pandemic journals, you will notice that you have your own pandemic journal on a Google slide. So you just click into that. So this is your copy and it's shared with me. What you need to do is you need to go on, change the front to Brian's pandemic journal. And I just did that for you, so now you don't have to do that. But this is your journal. You'll know it because now it has your name on it. And currently for the third marking period, there was 4 journal prompts. And you didn't complete these journal prompts, so they are 0 in the grade book. But the overall journal is a 4th marking period project grade. So even if these were 0s for the 3rd marking period, overall, this is going to count against your score for the 4th marking period. So you have to get that done as soon as possible. For this week, I posted 2 new journal prompts, one for today, April 6th, and one for Wednesday, April 8th. And, oh baby. And I actually, see what I'm working with at home, Brian? I'm going to go over these prompts during our live meetings today at 12:30. Okay, well, that's all I needed to cover. Get your work done. Let me know if you need any help.